Fallout 4. Fallout 4. Wargroove. Middle-earth Shadow of War. Middle-earth Shadow of War. This war of mine. This war of mine. Battle Chasers, Nightwar. Phantom Doctrine. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Sniper Elite 4. Sniper Elite 4. Total War Warhammer Roman II. Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands. Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands. ArmA Roman III. Company of Heroes 2. World of Tanks. World of Tanks. Insurgency Sandstorm. War Thunder. War Thunder. Fallout 76. Battlefield V. Battlefield V. Call of Duty WWII. Call of Duty WWII. Battlefield 1. Battlefield 1. For Honor. For Honor. Civilization VI. Civilization VI.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.